Namaskar, I am Dr. Anshul Singhal, consultant maxillofacial surgeon, offering my services at Kailash Hospital and Heart Institute, Noida and Greater Noida. I shall be talking to you about edentulism. Edentulism is a state of teethlessness. Now, due to poor maintenance of your oral hygiene or keeping bad health of your existing set of natural teeth, we may land up in edentulism. Your teeth might slowly and gradually shed off, and you will land up in a state with no teeth in your mouth. Secondly, due to trauma, road traffic accidents, or personal assaults, also one may land up into a state of edentulism where all the teeth are lost during the trauma. Also, in event of a tumor or a cyst or any sort of malignant condition of the orofacial region, one might get into sacrificing all the teeth and some part of the jaw bones, again leading into edentulism. Now, what happens if the edentulism is not treated in time? When our mouth is devoid of any sort of teeth, it tends to shrink. The soft tissues, skin, gums, musculature, and the fat around the teeth, it tends to disappear or it tends to atrophy in the event of edentulism. That gives a very shrunken look to the face of an individual. It also reduces your vertical dimension of the face, as upper and lower teeth together, they make up to 2 to 2.5 centimeters of the vertical dimension. So when you lose that, the vertical dimension of the face gets reduced. The food does not get chewed properly inside the mouth, due to which our digestive system is overloaded and one lands up having problems of indigestion, gastric reflux, gastric irritation, etc. Also, edentulism causes snoring, sleep apnea, and other respiratory issues in the older individuals. Edentulism can also cause cardiovascular problems, skin problems, stomatitis, infolding of your skin and mucosa of the face, giving a very unpleasant look. It also tends to take away the confidence from a person's face. Person tends to falter in their speech. The speech is very unclear. You're not able to chew your food properly. You're not able to have a proper taste of the food. Now, how to overcome edentulism? Traditionally, people have been using dentures. It could be removable as well as partial. Now, in the old aged individuals, people who use dentures often complain about the dentures not being snugly fit inside the mouth. They don't give them a very comfortable feel inside the mouth. The taste of the food and speech is slightly compromised compared to the natural system of fixed teeth. Now, how to overcome the shortcomings of these age-old treatment modalities? With the advent of implantology, now we can give fixed set of teeth based on the implants which are fixed inside the bone. In the cases of trauma or debilitation due to malignancy or jaw resections due to tumors and cysts, we tend to lose a good part of the bones of the jaw as well as teeth. So in such cases, you can fix implants inside the bone and the teeth can be supported on that. These teeth need not be removed for cleaning or other purposes. They are fixed and can be removed only by the clinician and not by the patient at will. The research and our experience over the past 15 to 20 years has shown that people like this modality of treatment better compared to the traditional modalities of treatment. It also gives back the confidence on the face, the proper musculature, the tonicity, everything is restored on the face just like your natural original teeth systems. So I would request all of you who are suffering from edentulosum to go and consult the nearest oral health care system departments and get the best consultation possible with respect to edentulosum. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.